Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Just give me 5 minutes. Good morning. Good morning. So everyone have their breakfast?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, why not? It is 9:30.
Sir, too early, sir. We eat
Too early.
at 10 o'clock.
Okay. So breakfast
Morning,
before.
sir.
Good morning, Drushti. Good morning, everyone. Just give me 2-3 minutes. Okay.
Good
So that
morning, sir.
morning.
Sir, will we do Kahoot today?
What?
Sir, will we do Kahoot today?
No cow today.
Why, sir? Sir, today we will do economics.
So I guess all of you remember simple interest that we studied in last class.
Yes.
Sir.
Very
Yes.
good.
Sir, today we will do compound interest.
Yeah. So good morning, everyone. Good morning once again. Good morning. Right. Okay. Chalo. So I hope all of you remember simple interest that we studied in last class. Raise the hand. How many of you remember simple interest that we studied in last class? Right? Hello. Yes. Very good, Aditya. Very good, everyone. Anna. And in last class, we studied a glimpse of compound interest. How compound interest is actually very, very interesting, right? How we can become rich by using compound interest. Anna. Right? But again, right? It is both sided. For example, how many of you know about credit cards? Tell me, how many of you know about credit cards? Right? How many of you know about credit card? Tell me. Yes? Anna. So normally it is said that you should not have a pending amount in credit card, right? Because they charge very high interest. Anna. Right? Do you know how high the interest are and what is the type of interest? Tell me, in credit card, what is the type of interest? It is a compound interest or simple interest? It is a compound interest. First of all, it is a compound interest. Okay, that's first thing. It is a compound interest. Okay, and that too, it is compounded daily. Okay, it is not monthly, yearly. It is compounded daily. Okay, per day it is compounded. So that's why it is not suggested to have a pending amount in credit cards. Okay. Wait, I just sneezed. Right. There's lots of morning time just tends to get sneezed a lot. Chalo, let's start, right? Let's start, guys. है ना? So compound interest क्या है? Compound interest is a high of simple interest. ठीक है? Right? Then they will come to your home and kick you, right? If you won't pay. Okay, Drishti? No, jokes apart, we cannot do that because then again it is our assets, right? So everything is connected, our bank accounts and everything is connected. Okay? So it will keep on increasing, and they have the legal ways to get money after flow. Okay, now the topic is compound interest. right? Now let us see first, right? What is the meaning of compound interest? समझेंगे आराम से प्यार से समझेंगे, ठीक है? So we know some simple interest, yes or no? We know simple interest. Everyone knows simple interest, right? I guess सबको simple interest पता है ना? That the formula that we used is PRT by 100. Simple interest is PRT by 100. It means the principal amount is not going to change. The principal amount will be same even if you take for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. Principal amount is going to be changed, right? Sorry, principal amount is not going to be changed, right? है ना? Now, what happens in compound interest? What happens in compound interest? That is the key. In compound interest, principal amount changes, right? Principal amount changes after every cycle. Okay, so यहाँ पे लिखूंगा मैं principal amount changes. ठीक है? अब let us see how. So I will just take an example, right? I'll take an example to make this concept clear. Okay. So suppose again, principal amount is 10,000. Think about it. Principal amount. I'm not talking about compound interest. I'm just talking about something, right? Okay. Don't think it as compound interest. Think it as simple interest for now. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone. Think it as for simple interest. Take a Nivesh, Ananya, Aditya, Krishna, Nidhi, Dheeraj. Okay. Right. Everyone. Okay. Now tell me if time is one, if rate of interest is 10%. So tell me what would be the amount? What would be the amount after 1 year? After 1 year. I guess everyone can calculate this. Tell me. Calculate. Do not speak, calculate.
Sir, what is the rate, sir?
10% per year, per annum, per year.
And sir, what is the duration?
Duration is 1 year, na?
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Question is, if I'm having a principal amount of 10,000, okay, and rate of interest is 10%, okay, then what would be the amount after 1 year? Take your time. Step by step, step by step, step by step. Very good, Bindu. Akarsh, wrong Akarsh. Teju, correct. है ना? So let us see, right? Everyone, let us see. है ना? So let us see. Very good, Teju. So first of all, right, what is interest? I'll just calculate the interest. So interest will be 10% of this, है ना? Because it is for 1 year only. So it is 10% of 10,000. Yes or no? Right? And I'm not writing any simple interest or compound interest. It is just interest, right? because it is only for 1 year. Now for 1 year, for 1 year it is same. For 1 year it doesn't matter. Gia, 10% per year will be what? 10 by 100 into 10,000. So it will be what? 1,000 now? Tell me. 1,000, it is rupees 1,000, yes or no? Tell me, Gia. Calculate, yes. Step by step. समझ में आया सबको? Everyone is getting this. Everyone is getting this. Sir, because it is 10% ना, अगर तुमसे पूछा जाए that I will give you 10% extra, right, in 1 year. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, so what is the amount, guys? Tell me, what is the amount now? Right, we know, sir, amount is equal to, and amount was the total, right? Total what we will get, and that is your amount. Very good. So amount is equal to 10,000 plus, very good, plus 1,000. Very good, which is 11,000. Yes or no? I guess everyone got till this point. Hi, Anna. Yes, यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया, guys? Anyone have any doubt in this? Step by step समझेंगे. See how, right? If we learn anything step by step, it would be easy. Now, again, यहाँ पे अब twist है. यहाँ पे अगर twist है. Now, if we talk about simple interest, Leela, last one is just amount. ना amount मतलब तुमको कितना मिलेगा, right? Last one is the amount, right? What we will get after the end of the 1 year. So I can say, sir, if I'm having 10,000 rupees, right? And if someone is paying me 10, if I'm lending it to someone, if I'm giving it to someone or putting it in bank, and they say, I'll give you 10% extra per year, right? For 1 year, after 1 year, right? I'll get the amount and 10% extra. So what is the 10% extra? What is the interest? So it is 10% of 10,000 because it is for 1 year only, right? So it is what? 10 by 100 into 10,000. So if you divide and multiply, you will get 1,000. So the amount is basically the amount that I receive after 1 year. So this 10,000 my own money, and this tell me, this is interest. So this is your total amount. Got it? Right? Nanya, what is the meaning of 10%, Nanya? Tell me, what is the meaning of 10%? I guess I have explained this in last class, right? You guys should watch the video. Now, 10% means 10%. I have explained it. Yes or no? How many of you remember? I have explained it. 10 by 100. That's the meaning of 10%. Right? Percentage. I have explained. Guys, this is see again, right? Watch the videos. Okay, watch the videos after the class, make notes, and keep on revising. Okay. Now let us compare, right? Now, if we talk about simple interest, talk about simple interest for second year also, right? For second year also, what would be? Wait, Aditya, focus over here first. For second year also, what would be your principal amount? Tell me. For simple interest, yes, Dheeraj. Percent means something by 100. Now, for simple interest also, what would be the principal amount for second year? Tell me. अगर मैं सेम अमाउंट को सेकंड ईयर में भी रख रहा हूँ, सेकंड ईयर के लिए भी रख रहा हूँ, तो व्हाट वुड बी द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट? No, Nanya, the principal in simple interest, what it was? I'm talking about principal
Sir,
amount.
it would be 20,000.
No, again same amount. Now how it can change, right? For second year, for the first of C, right? It is just like this. Think about it. Samjho, right? 10,000 only, na? Yes or no? I'm not talking about interest. This is just principal amount. Principal amount will be 10,000 only, na? Yes or no? Right? So principal amount is 10,000 only. That's what we did, na? That's what we did, right? Principal
Sir,
amount.
your voice is not audible, sir.
My voice is not audible. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir, audible.
I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay. Please don't speak. Right, audible. Just message. Okay. Now, okay. So that is the key, sir. In simple interest, the principal amount is not going to change. That is the key, right? Only the time will change. Yes or no? In principal, for second year, the principal will be same, right? Rate of interest also I'm saying as 10%. Okay. Got it? Yes or no? Hayana. Hayana. That is what we did in simple interest. But that is the difference in compound interest. When we talk about compound interest for the second year, right, that is the meaning of compounding. Compounding means बढ़ते जाना. Yes or no? Tell me. Compounding means keep on increasing, right? Agree? So, sir, for second year, this is for first year, है ना? This is for first year. First year, right? Doesn't matter if it is compound or it is simple. It will be same. But for second year, okay, right? The simple. So what, tell me, after first year, what is the amount? After, wait, guys, think about it. After first year, what is the amount?
Sir, 11,000.
11,000, right? So that is the thing. After first year, right, the amount will become the principal of second year. समझ में आया? The amount of first year will become the principal of second year in compound interest. So every year the principal amount is increasing, right? Now you will get rate is also 10%. Rate is 10%. Right? So see, think about it. Now, if you talk about interest for second year, right? Second year means एक साल का ही मैं निकाल रहा हूँ. Second year means एक साल का ही निकाल रहा हूँ. ठीक है? Now calculate the interest. Calculate the interest. Everyone, calculate the interest in both the cases. Again, this is for Bindu. This is for 1 year, second year only, right? In this both the cases, it is for only 1 year, right? है ना? It's like तुम interest निकालते जा रहे हो. पहले year के बाद interest तुमने निकाल लिया 1,000, right? फिर second year के बाद कितना होगा? Very good, Alia. Very good. है ना? Very good. So interest will be again 10% of 10,000, which is what? 10 by 100 into 10,000, which is basically 1,000 rupees. Okay. So see, I'm talking about interest, right? After 2 years, right? So this is for second year. So total interest is equal to what? First year and plus second year interest, right? It is 1,000 plus 1,000. It is 2,000. Yes or no? Ayana?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is getting? Everyone is getting? Right? Very good. And amount?
Yes, sir.
Amount will be what? Amount in this case, right? It will be 10,000 plus 2,000.
Sir, 12,000 is the
12,000. Anyone have any?
12,000, sir.
Yes, but it is in simple interest. It is in the case of simple interest, है ना?
Yes,
Right? It is in
sir.
the case of simple interest. Okay? Right? Okay. Now let us see about compound interest. Everyone, let us check about compound interest. So same thing. But here, what is changing? Sir, after every year, right? After every year, the principal amount is changing. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, principal P will change every year. Every year. So for second year, right? For second year. So in this case, right, interest will be what? So it will be 10% of T2. Yes, very good. New interest is 1100. Correct. So it is 10 by 100. Sorry, it is 10 by 100 into 11,000. तो कितना हो गया? So it is 1100. है ना? Now what is total interest, guys? What is total interest? What is total interest? So 1000 for first year plus 1100 for second year. So it is 2100. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Right? So what is the amount? What is the amount after second year? The amount is, tell me, 10,000 plus 21. Okay, sorry, this is 2100, not 21,000. Sorry. 2100. है ना? So it is 12,100. Now, tell me, in which case you're getting more interest?
In compound interest, we are getting more.
Compound
Sir,
interest.
compound.
है ना?
Sir, compound interest.
Sir, can you tell again?
Yes, I'm again, right? So see, first of all, right? First of all, try to get what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Okay, what is the difference, sir? In simple interest, principal will be same. Principal amount will be same. है ना? Either you're taking for first year, or you're taking for second year, or you're taking for third year, doesn't matter. Principal amount is always same, right? Which is 10,000. But in compound interest, principal year will keep on changing, right? Keep on increasing, है ना? ठीक है? Because तुमको interest पे भी interest मिलेगा, right? है ना? Very good. So the only difference is what? So principal amount will get changed. For second year, principal amount will be amount of first year, है ना? समझ में आ रहा है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं? That principal of second year is the amount of first year. Simple. ठीक है? So now we will have 11,000 as a principal. So interest is what? Interest is 10% of 11,000. So it will have 1100. So total interest will be what? First year ka interest, which is 1,000. Second year ka interest, which is 1100, which is 2100. Or you can just say amount is equal to 11,000 plus 1100, which is 12,100. So ये सबको समझ में आ गया? Now let us do one thing by yourself. Suppose what is about third year? Tell me, third year. For third year, in case of simple interest, what would be the principal amount? Tell me. Everyone will message me, not speak, message. Please do not speak, message. Tell me, what would be the principal amount for third year simple interest? Message, do not speak. Very good. No, Ananya, it is a simple interest. No, Ananya, it is simple interest. It could be 10,000. I told you, right? Sir, principal amount is not going to change. Yes or no? Right? Very good. But what would be the principal amount? This is amount 2, A2, amount of the second year. What is principal for third year? Tell me. Principal for third year in compound interest. In compound interest, it will be what? Yes, very good. Very good. So it will be the amount of second year, which is 12,100. ये difference सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. Very good. ये difference सबको समझ में आया? Tell me. Everyone is getting this difference? Everyone is getting this difference? Yes or no? Everyone is getting this. Remaining things is same, right? So rate of interest मैंने बोला 10% for 1 year. Here also rate of interest is 10%. And I'm talking about only third year. So interest will be what? 10% of 10,000. And here interest is 10% of 12,100. Now see how it keeps on increasing. Now अब समझ में आया कि सर क्यों इतना बड़ा हो गया सर? Right? How the last when you talk about the amounts, right? कितना बड़ा होता है? How it will be like this? So it is what? It is 10 by 100 into 10,000, right? And it is 10 by 100 into 12,100. So if you calculate, see, in simple interest, interest is always same. Ayana, for every year, interest is 1,000 only. Yes or no? Tell me. For every year, interest is 1,000. Agree? Ayana, right? Okay. Interest is 1,000. But here, the interest I dash will be what? So it is 1210 rupees. Now, don't you think, sir, interest is actually getting increased every year? Interest is getting increased every year in case of compound interest. So amount after third year will be what? Amount after third year is 10,000 plus 3,000, which is 13,000. But here, amount after third year is principal of third year plus interest, which is 12,100 plus, right? So it will be what? Tell me. 13,310 rupees. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ है ना? ये सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone is getting this? Guys who got disconnected, right? I'll just upload the video today only. And now you can just watch it, right? Because, okay. Okay, I'll explain one more time. Okay, I'll explain one more time, right? I'll explain one more time. Okay, think about it. Think about it. Now, I'll take another example. Okay, you have to think, right? And if you don't get asked what you are not getting specifically, okay? So let us check. Let us check the formula, sir. For simple interest, the formula of simple interest was what? P into R into T by 100, and the amount was what? Principal plus simple interest. Yes or no? Yes or no? This everyone understood? Bindu, this everyone understood, right? Okay. But when you talk about compound interest, now compound interest for the first year, step by step, I'm explaining this again, right? I'm explaining this again. For the first year, think about it. First year. So first year it is same, na? First year, if principal amount is P1, right? P, rate of interest is R, percent per year, So for first year, interest will be R percent of P. Yes or no? Step by step. सब कुछ समझेगा. Step by step. Everyone got it? हाँ या ना? Because I'm talking only for first year. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Tanushree, you understood or you have doubt? Kinera, Teju? No doubt, clear? है ना? So what is the amount? What is the amount after first year? Tell me, what is the amount after first year? Amount after first year, can I say it is principal plus interest? Ayana. Yes or no? Kinera, Bindu, Dhanvir, everyone, right? ये सब कुछ समझ में आना चाहिए. P is the principal amount, ना Aditya? That's what I'm saying. P is principal amount. P is the principal, मतलब जो पहले से है. And this is basically equal to R into P by 100, right? R percent of P is R into P by 100. So can I say, sir, A1 is equal to P plus R into P by 100? Hayana, step by step. देखो, Hayana. Anyone have any doubt in this? मैंने बस R percent of P को क्या लिख सकता हूँ? We know R percent is R by 100. Of is into P by 100. एक चीज बताओ. Do you have P here as well as P here? Tell me, दोनों जगह P है मेरे पास. है ना? Can I take P common? P को मैंने common ले लिया. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? 1 plus R by 100. हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? This is A1. What step you're not able to understand, Priya? Which step you're not able to understand? Tell me. Which step? कौन सा step नहीं समझ में आ रहा बताओ? Because see, if anyone is not getting, na, there are only three things that they cannot get, right? जब भी कोई maths में और कुछ भी समझ में आता, so there are three things. First is language, right? मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ English समझ में नहीं आ रही है. Second, कि basic concepts नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. Third, calculation नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. ठीक है? So अब मैं बता रहा हूँ language. ये सबको समझ में आया? R percent of P का मतलब समझ में आता है. Percent का मतलब क्या होता है? R by 100. ऑफ का मतलब क्या होता है into, right? Right? And P is given. Okay, P is given. See, P is the principal amount, which was P is principal amount. Principal amount, right? The principal amount जो था पहले से था, जैसे हम लोगों ने लिया था 10,000, right? 10,000 was your principal amount for the first year. Rate of interest is odd%. It can be anything. 10% I was taking in last example, right? Last example. Okay. Okay. Right. Vihan, I'm explaining this for the third time. Please focus. Right. Okay. So R is 10%. Anna, so what is the interest? Tell me. What is the interest? Sinchna, yes, I will send the notes. What's the interest? Tell me. If 10% of 10,000, that's what we calculated, na? You guys calculated it if I was giving a number, right? हाँ है ना, ये तुमने calculate किया ना, खुद calculate किया ना? Tell me, yes or no? This is what we calculated, right? 10% of 10,000. So that is what I'm saying, na? That is what I'm doing here. Odd percent of P is basically 10% of 10,000. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Tell me, everyone is getting this? सोचो, take your time, सोचो एक बार, आराम से टाइम लो, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, अपने से लिखो एक बार. Yes, right? So this interest is basically normal interest after 1 year, right? When I'm talking about interest. Now for first year, both compound interest and simple interest would be same, na? Tell me, yes or no? For the first year, both compound interest and principal interest would be same, yes or no? Yes or no? Right? एक साल बाद सबको मिलेगा? Yes. For the second year, Bindu, principal of compound interest is the amount of simple interest, right? For the second year, for first year, both are same. Why both are same? Sir, because पहले साल में प्रिंसिपल तो दोनों के लिए सेम रहेगा ना, दोनों को 10,000 रुपए दिए जाएंगे. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Everyone is getting this? Tell me. If anyone having doubt, please ask. But I guess everyone should get this, right? For the first year, I'm just talking about the first. ठीक है, right? Sir, first year ना amount दोनों के लिए same हो जाएगा, because this is also same. Amount is same for the first year. Now that, okay, Teju, I have repeated it. What you don't get, tell me. कौन सा step नहीं समझ में आया तेजू? मैंने बोला first year के लिए actually there is no difference between simple interest and compound interest. Both are same. ठीक है, both are same for the first year and second year because the principal amount is same, है ना? Now the difference is from second year onwards, right? So in this case also the amount for the first year is principal plus interest. Interest is this, and T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 for first year, है ना? So it is also PR by 100. Yes or no? Say, देखो, P plus PR by 100. P plus PR by 100. So A1 is equal to what? P plus PR by 100. So P common करके 1 plus PR by, sorry, R by 100. P common करके 1 plus R by 100. So for first year, दोनों सेम है, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट और सिंपल इंटरेस्ट दोनों सेम है. क्लियर हो गया ये चीज? दिस इज ओनली फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर, पहला साल. हम लोग दूसरा साल नहीं सोचे, हम लोग सिर्फ पहला साल सोचे अभी. ठीक है, राइट? नाउ लेट अस सी फॉर सेकंड ईयर. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, सबको यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. एवरीवन प्लीज पे अटेंशन ओवर हियर. ठीक है? Now, in simple interest, what would be the principal amount for second year? Tell me, what would be the principal amount for second year? Will it be same or will it change? Tell me. Will it be same as first year or will it change for simple interest? That is the concept. Very good. It will be same. Very good. So, sir, this will be P only. Hi, Anna. P only.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Everyone got this concept? Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
Very good.
Yes,
But
sir.
what about this? Guys, please message, right? What about this? What is P2 dash, right? For compound interest, will it be same or will it be different?
Sir, different.
Sir,
Yes.
different it will be for.
Sir, it will be different.
Sir, it will be
Yes.
for
So it
first
will be
year
what?
different.
The amount of first year, है ना? Amount of first year, right? Amount of first year will convert into principal of second year. Clear है? समझो, ये होता है हमेशा. Amount of first year will become the principal of second year. That is the difference, है ना? Right? Everyone got this? Tell me, everyone got this? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम बस इतना ही रखेंगे. Sir, Zayan, because it is the definition of simple interest, Zayan, right? है ना, काफी सिंपल है ना, वो चेंज नहीं होता है, वो बहुत ही सिंपल बंदा है, राइट? वो चेंज नहीं होता है, ईयर बाय ईयर चेंज नहीं होता है, काफी सिंपल है ना? जब मिलोगे तब वो सेम रहेगा, राइट? दैट इज द सिंपल थिंग अबाउट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. बट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट जो बहुत ही कंपाउंड है, हर साल चेंज करता है. एक साल अच्छा है, दूसरे साल बहुत बुरा हो गया, तीसरे साल एकदम गुस्सा वाला हो गया, राइट? एवरी ईयर इट इज चेंजिंग, राइट? दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. इट इज नॉट इजी टू like understand what this person is going through, है ना? राइट, है ना? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट काफी सिंपल, नहीं चेंज करता है. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट बहुत कंपाउंड, हमेशा चेंज करता है, ठीक है? राइट, ईयर बाय ईयर चेंज कर जाता है, ठीक है? ओके, now think about it. What is the interest? What is the interest for second year? So it is same na, R% of P. हाँ या ना? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For here, I2 dash is basically what? So it is R% of what? The R% of what? So it is R% of P2 dash, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt till this point? हाथ उठाओ. किसी को दिक्कत है यहाँ तक हाथ उठाओ. एक एक स्टेप में समझा रहा हूँ, राइट? प्लीज मैसेज, एक एक स्टेप में समझा रहा हूँ. हम लोग सिर्फ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट करेंगे आज, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, आराम से सब सीखेंगे. और डायरेक्टली एक्चुअली फार्मूला में डिराइव कर रहा हूँ, बट यू शुड नो ना हाउ टू डिराइव द फार्मूला, राइट? है ना? इवन दो यू विल यूज द फार्मूला, डायरेक्टली तुम फार्मूला यूज करोगे, बट यू शुड नो ना. ओके, राइट? सो इट इज व्हाट सर, I2 इज again R by 100 into P. Sir, I2 is also RP by 100. सर सेम हो गया ना सर, I2 और I1 जो है, यहाँ पे I1 जो था, दिस इज ऑल्सो सेम ना, RP by 100, है ना? So sir, here amount after second year is what? Principal plus I1 plus I2, right? Which is equal. So principal plus 2I. है ना? Because I1 and I2 are equal. Clear है? Tell me, clear है? Right? Or it is basically principal plus 2 into R into P by 100. So देखो, 2 is the time. 2 is the time. हाँ या ना? 2 is the time. जी हाँ, right? First year और second year दोनों की interest same हो गया ना? So if I1 and I2 are same, can I write it as 2I? Tell me, can I write it as 2I? Yes or no? Can I write it as 2I? हाँ या ना? Right? And what is I? Sir, I is what? RP by 100 na? So it is 2 RP by 100. So if you see the formula, right? For n years, for t years, what will be? So it is principal plus, this is PR T by 100. This is a simple interest. The amount is principal plus simple interest, which is PRT by 100. It is the number of years. ठीक है? जैसे यहाँ पे क्या था? This is your 2, which is second year. This is your 1, which is your first year. ठीक है? Right? So this is for simple interest. सबको समझ में आया simple interest? Everyone got this simple interest? It is just plus simple interest. Amount is just principal plus simple interest, because principal is not going to change. But when you talk about compound interest, you cannot find compound interest directly. You have to find amount only. Okay, so let's just see. What is interest? Tell me, interest will be what? So it is R% of P2, I2 dash. It is R by 100 into P2 dash. Yes or no? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
सबको स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझ में आना चाहिए सर, सबको स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझ में आना चाहिए, राइट? Everyone, tell me. So can I say, sir, I2 dash, right? Second year का interest is R into P2 dash by 100. ये P2 dash I2 dash बस notation है, ठीक है? So what is the amount for second year? Tell me. What is the amount for second year? So it is amount principal for second year plus interest for second year. Yes or no? यहाँ समझो, step by step समझो. समझ में आ रही है सब?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir, principal for second year is actually the amount for first year, हाँ या ना? Second year का principal first year का amount था, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, plus, or I'll just write it like this. ठीक है? मैं simple से example लिख रहा हूँ. अभी नहीं मैं डायरेक्टली लिखूंगा. So P2 dash plus this is what R into P2 dash by 100. Now don't you think sir P2 dash यहाँ पे भी बाहर हो जाएगा because it is in both common यहाँ से भी लूंगा मैं. So P2 dash कॉमन लेने के बाद क्या आएगा 1 plus R by 100. दिख रहा है ये कुछ? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone take your time. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आना चाहिए. Take your time. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आना चाहिए because उसके बाद फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली. इसके बाद डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला. ठीक है? यहाँ समझ में तो. And what is P2 dash? Tell me what is P2 dash?
Yes, sir.
ये P2 dash है ना? P2 dash is basically A1 which is this term. हाँ या ना?
A1, sir.
Right? Very good. So can I just write it down? Sir, it is A1 which is P into 1 plus R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100. Yes or no? Because this whole term is P2 dash. Right? Think about it. This whole term is P2 dash. है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So ये पूरा जो पूरा term है ना, ये जो पूरा term है, this is a P2 dash, which is actually A1. Now actually बताओ 2 into 2 कितना होता है? Tell me what is 2 into 2?
4.
Sir, 4.
2 square, right?
4.
Which is 2 square, है ना? Right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? 2 square मतलब power हो जाता है ना? I'm talking in terms of power, ठीक है? Right? 4, yes, I agree. It is 4, but it is written as 2 square, ना? है कि नहीं? So tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1 plus R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100, 1 plus R by 100 into 1 plus R by 100 can be written as P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power to INR.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt? यहाँ तक?
No, sir.
Sir.
No,
So,
sir.
what is this 2? 2 क्या था यहाँ पे? Time था ना? 2 is the time. Yes or no? 2 is the time. Agree? 2 is the time. Yes or no? Right? 2 is the time. हाँ power जो है power क्या है? 2 time है ना 2 साल बाद हुआ ये. So अगर तुमसे डायरेक्टली पूछा जाए simple interest after 3 years. अब डायरेक्टली थर्ड ईयर का सिंपल इंटरेस्ट क्या होगा? So it is R into P into 3 by 100. हाँ या ना? Simple interest is this. What is amount in compound interest? What is amount in compound interest after 3 years? Can you directly say? So it is 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3 directly. Can you just write like this?
Yes, sir.
हाँ या ना? Step by step.
Yes, sir.
अब
Yes,
समझ में आ रहा
sir.
है? So after n years, n is a time. So simple interest is basically n into R into P by 100. यहाँ पे मैंने n की जगह टाइम की जगह n यूज किया. n is also time. n बस टाइम का राइट वेरिएबल है. और यहाँ पे कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कितना हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे अमाउंट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का अमाउंट क्या हो जाएगा? an is p bracket
P bracket 1 plus R by 100 10.
n. वेरी गुड है ना? वेरी गुड एवरीवन. क्लियर है यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो हम लोग छोटा मोटा करेंगे, हम लोग 1 2 ही तक करेंगे, ज्यादा नहीं करेंगे. राइट? बट दिस इज यू शुड नो. ओके? राइट?
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
चलो. Now let us talk about some shortcut. Shortcut means देखते हैं. अगर मान लो मुझे think about it guys. Think about it everyone please focus. ठीक है? Everyone please focus. Now suppose I'm having principal amount. ठीक है? I'll just take one concept check. ठीक है? Think about it guys. Think about it. You can use calculator. Don't worry. अभी तुम लोग calculator use कर सकते हो. ठीक है, you can use the calculator. ठीक है, no Kinera we are not using, we are not having, we will just see if we can, right? Wait for some time. ठीक है, so principal amount is given as, right, one again 10,000. Rate of interest is given as 5% and time is given as 2 years. 2 years. ठीक है, right? समझ में आया? So in one case the money is given on the basis of simple interest, in second case it is compound interest. Find the simple interest after 2 years and find compound interest after 2 years. Tell me, find simple interest after 2 years and find compound interest 2 years after 2 years. ठीक है, calculate it. Right? Yes, simple interest is very easy. So simple interest is equal to what? It is 1,000 rupees. है ना? 1,000 rupees. But you cannot directly find compound interest. You have to find amount. है ना? So for compound interest, what is the amount? Formula use करेंगे. So amount is equal to principal bracket 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Right? Step by step.
Sir,
Step by step.
1,050.
So amount will be, principal is 10,000. Bracket 1 plus r is 5 by 100 का whole square. You can use calculator, by the way. You can use calculator. ठीक है? So amount is 10,000. Now 5 will divide this 100 20 times. है ना? 1 plus 1 by 20. 1 plus 1 by 20 to the power 2. 1 plus 1 by 20 कितना होता है guys? Step by step. 1 plus 1 by 20 कितना होता है?
21 by 20, sir.
Very good, very good. 21 by 20 का whole square. है ना? Now 21 into 21 कितना होता है? 21 into 21. I guess all of you remember the shortcut. 1 4 4. Yes or no? This into this, then this into this, this into this, and this into this. 4 4 1. And 20 to 20 is 400. Very good. So it is what? 10,000 into 441 by 400. Yes or no? Tell me. Now this and this will be divided. 4 will divide this how many times? 25 times. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Amount will be 25 into 441. Can you calculate this? Can you calculate this? 25 into 441?
11,025, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. है ना? So it is 11,025 rupees. ठीक है? Right? है ना? Right? Here, so you have to calculate, right? थोड़ा सा calculation करना पड़ेगा compound interest में, है ना? See, what is 20 का whole square? What is 20 whole square? Tell me, 20 का whole square क्या होता है? What is 20 into 20? बताओ, what is 20 into 20? 400, ना? That is 400.
400.
Okay? So we know, sir, compound interest is what? Amount minus principal. Compound interest is always amount minus principal. So it is what? 11,025 minus 10,000. So it is 1,025 rupees. है ना? Compound interest 1,025 rupees. And यहाँ पे simple interest कितना था? So it was 1,000. So 25 rupees मुझे extra मिलेगा. Yes or no? Yes or no? ठीक है? Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
ये समझ ये अभी, right? Again, right? There's a thing. There's an easy thing and there's a conceptual thing. Conceptual thing always take more time to understand. That's why I'm teaching you guys. Otherwise, I would not have taken this course. है ना? Think about it. Think about it. Okay. So now let us see. Right? So if I want to double my money, ठीक है? If I want to double my money, think about it. Everyone, think about it, right? If I want to double my money, okay. So I can say, sir, if we talk about simple interest, if I want to double my money, which means interest should be equal to principal amount. Yes or no? Double means interest जो है वो principal के बराबर होना चाहिए ना. अगर तुम्हारा principal 10,000 है, so interest भी कितना होना चाहिए? 10,000 होना चाहिए. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Right? That is the meaning of double, ना? Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if
Yes,
I
sir.
in how many years it will happen? In how many years it will happen, right? So मैं क्या करूँगा? Sir, I'll just use the formula. And 100% interest. Very good. So I'll just use the formula. So simple interest is equal to PRT, P into R into T by 100. Hannah, think about it. Right? So I want to find time. If rate of interest is, if rate is R%, is R%. So I can say, sir, right? When the amount is double, which means simple interest is equal to principal amount. So time will be given as, tell me, time will be given as cross multiply. Can I do cross multiply? So simple interest into 100 by principal amount into R, I and R, cross multiply, step by step, cross multiply. But sir, I'm saying that simple interest and principal are same. I'm saying the simple interest and principal are same. So cut gaya. So this is basically 100 by R. I and R, 100 by R.
Yes, sir.
Not 10 years. Akash is 100 by R. It depends on rate of interest. है ना? For example, if your rate of interest is 10%, if rate of interest is 10%, ठीक है? The rate of interest 10% है. Then how many years? Then time will be 100 by 10, which is 10 years. It will take 10 years to double the amount. If rate of interest is equal to 12 years, sorry, 12%, then time कितना हो जाएगा? Then time कितना हो जाएगा? So it is 100 by 12. So कितना हो जाएगा? Tell me.
8 point something, sir.
8 point something, है ना? 8 point something years, right? So approx 9 years. Approx 9 years, है ना? 9 years का मैं कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. If it is approx 8 point something, तो approx 9 years, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you calculate, actually you will get 8 point something. So what is this? Tell me. If you calculate step by step, it will be 8 point. Tell me how much. I hope all of you know division. It will be 90. Tell me 12 into
8.33, sir.
8.3 something, है ना? 8.33 actually. So
Sir,
yes,
8.33.
है ना? So I can say, sir, it is basically
8.33.
if you don't calculate this, convert it into which fraction? So convert it into improper fraction, है ना? Improper fraction. Best to do is, so it will be what? 8 4 by 12. Yes or no? 8 4 by 12. Simple.
Yes, sir.
It will be 8 years 4 months. 8 year 4 months. ठीक है? 8 year 4 months. Now compound interest. If we use compound interest for that, it will be very difficult, है ना? Because power में है. So there is a shortcut for compound interest. For compound interest, right? This is called as rule of 72. Rule of 72.
Sir,
ठीक है? ध्यान दो. Compound interest को shortcut, right? जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने calculate किया ना, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने calculate किया T is equal to 100 by R. In the same way, according to rule of 72, the time taken to double the amount in compound interest is given by 72 by R. समझ में आया? In compound interest, if anything is taken in compound interest, the time taken to double, right? The amount in compound interest is 72 by R. So tell me, if R is equal to 10%, tell me if R is equal to 10%, so how much time it will take to double the amount? Tell me, कितना time लगेगा double करने में? So it is 72 by 10, just 7.2 years. हाँ या ना? Tell me, 7.2 years. अब समझ में आ रहा है? सर 10 साल लगेगा डबल होने में सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में, बट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में वो 7.2 इयर्स नहीं हो जाएगा, राइट? है ना? बट थिंक अबाउट इट, इफ R is equal to 12%, then tell me what is T? It is 72 by 12, which is basically equal to 6 years. 6 years. अब समझ में आ रहा है? सर कितना जल्दी करेगा? 6 years में डबल हो जाएगा, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, if you take R is equal to 20%, think about it. If you take R is equal to 20%, so in simple interest, it will take how much time? Sir, it is 100 by
5
R.
years.
5 years.
So 5 years.
5 years.
5 years. But if you talk about compound,
Well,
it will take how many years? 3.6 years. अब समझ में आया सबको? अब समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Why in compound interest the money is getting doubled, right? Very fast. Ayana,
Yes, sir.
think about it. Think
Yes,
about it.
sir.
Now imagine, right? That is the principle of compounding. Now I will explain how I became Karupati and how I became Karupati, right? In that case. Okay. Now suppose everyone think about it, right? So I'll just take a column and I'll just make a column and you guys just focus over here. Okay. I'll show you how you can become Karupati, right? Anna, think about it. Okay. So this is your simple interest. This is your simple interest. This is your compound interest. Okay. The principal amount that I have taken is suppose 10 lakh. है ना, तुमने 10 लाख को क्या किया? 10 लाख को तुमने कहीं पे रखा, ठीक है? Right, Drusti, I'm explaining this, right? I have already recorded videos. Yes, it is shortcut for double only. It is the shortcut of double only, Drusti, right? Now think about it. You can just use double now. So tell me, right? And rate of interest, I'm saying as suppose 15%, right? 15%, okay? 15%. Let us see. So, right? So I can say, sir, if rate of interest is 15%, or I'll just take a simpler value, right? जो calculate करने में easy हो. मैं 15 लाख ले लेता हूँ, है ना? 15 लाख. Suppose I deposit 15 lakh. ठीक है? 15 lakh. Easy है calculate करने में, right? है ना? Right? Think about it. Now, tell me, after how many years it will double? After how many years it will double in compound interest? Right? Tell me. This is time. After how many years it will double in simple interest? Tell me. 50, 100 by 15, 100 by 15. है ना? Okay, or I'll just take 20 years only, right? 20 years, 20%. Easy to calculate. Anyways, example है ना? So I can say it will be double. In 5 years. In 5 years, it will be double, which means it will become 30 lakh. Ayana. 30 lakh in 5 years, right? But if you talk about compound interest, it will become 30 lakh in how many years? In 3.6 years. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Ayana. Think about it. Right? After 10 years, it will become 60 lakh. Because again, it will again double, right? 50 will become 30 will become 60. Yes. No, sir. No, it will not become 60. Because it is a simple interest, right? Only interest is getting doubled. Hai na? Only interest is getting doubled. So interest will be doubled. So it will become 45 lakh. Yes or no? Ayana. Because only interest is getting doubled. ठीक है? Interest was double होता है. Interest is getting changed 45 years. But in this case, after 7.2 years, tell me, after 7.2 years, ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये कितना हो जाएगा? This will become 60 lakh. समझ में आया? Because sir, everything is getting doubled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain of 45 lakhs?
No, not 45 lakhs. It is 60 lakhs only because everything is getting doubled now. Right? Everything will get doubled. So it is 60 lakhs. Sorry.
Sir, 72 years, no, 7.2.
7.2. Sorry, it is 7.2. 7.2 years. So see, it will take
Yes,
10
sir.
years to become 60 lakh, but it will take 7.2 years to become 60 lakh. Now, after 15 years, it will become what?
1 crore, 20
Nine-
lakhs.
1.2 crore, right? But it will become
1.2 crores.
1.2 crore after how many years? Tell me. In 1.2, it will become how much?
10.8 years.
10.8.
10.8 years.
Very
Sir,
good.
10.8 years.
Yes. So, right in now next 3.6 years, right? So it is 14.4 years. In 14.4 years, it will become what? 2.4 crore. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है? So
Sir,
If yes, bolo.
How did this 10.8
Yes,
years
sir.
came, sir?
So 10.8 plus 3.6 कितना होगा ना? Every 3.6 years it is getting doubled ना? है कि नहीं? Every 3.6 years it is getting doubled, right? ठीक है? And see, in 20 years, it will become 20 years, right? 2.4 crore. Now let us see how it will become after this 3.6. It will become what? So 18 years. 18 years, it will become 4.8 crore. Now, can you imagine? Tell me, can you imagine? I can become crorepati na just by, right? But yeah, it will be difficult to get 20% interest, right? Obviously, Jia. I'm just taking an example, na? I'm just taking an example. People do get 20% interest if they are very smart. If they're very smart, if they are very good, right? Again, right? Nothing can make money without being smart and without being knowledgeable, right? And now, people do make this much money, but not everyone, because not everyone is smart. So I hope all of you understood the concept of compound interest and simple interest, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if I save 30 lakh, if I can make 20% per year interest by somehow, by something, right? So I can make 4.8 crore after 18 years, enough. But if I'm just putting it in any bank which is giving very high simple interest, still I'm not able to make this much. Okay. So that's why compound interest is very, very good and interesting. I guess all of you understood this. सबको समझ में आया? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are done with compound interest. Next economics class में हम लोग और कुछ interesting करेंगे. Interest समझ में आ गया? Why I told about interest? Because when we talk about taxes, na, when we talk about taxes and all the things, these things should be there. GR, it depends, right? Maximum, it depends. Okay, I'll show you something later. Okay, chalo. That is for today's class, guys. I hope all of you enjoyed the class, understood everything. Okay, okay. Bye, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.